Hello friends, peace be upon you. Hope your day is bright, and you are having a good time. I am Kaiser from PS Tutelar. There is a black and white image in front of you. You know this, and I know it too. We can colorize it with the help of neural filters in Photoshop. But through a website, we can colorize the image. And it's completely free. Let's try to find the difference between the two. First, we colorize this black and white photo in Photoshop. For this we will open Neural Filters. And you can see that there is a Colorize option in Neural Filters. When you will enable this option, so Photoshop will colorize your image. Have the New Layer option in Output. Now, there are adjustments to it too. It has many filters here. Suppose I use Retro Faded, or use Retro Bright. Try using Retro High Contrast. You can then adjust the profile strength. You can also adjust the saturation in the same way. Can use color artifact reduction. And then you can also use noise reduction. In the output options, you have output as new color layer. And this way you can see the before and after image. Now we click OK. So, this image has been colorized by Photoshop's neural filters. We did not try to make any additional changes to it. Now, let's head to this website. This website is palette.fm. It is written, Colorize Pictures, Automatic, no sign up, and free. You don't need to sign up here. I upload the same image here. I upload this black and white image here. You can see that it has many filters above. This is the original image, and this is the baseline palette. Click on the filter, and that filter will be downloaded. As the base palette has colorized the image. Download Lavender Dusk Filter. Colorful Memories is a filter. In the same way, Vivid Natural Filter. Next is the Warm Glow Filter. Not only that, as you apply these filters, you will notice the difference. And you can see that it has many filters. As this is Ambient Historic Filter. Clicking on it will apply it to the image. We return to the first filters. If we apply the base palette here, and after that you can also download the image in HD. This allows you to save high-definition images. I am saving this image as FM. Now, we open this image in Photoshop. That is, the image that we colorized through the website. You see the difference between the two. This is what Photoshop did. And this is done by the website palette.fm. You will feel a big difference. Photoshop has added a color shade to the dress. That is, the color of the entire dress is not the same. There's some magenta and brown dress going on here. And the background also remained multicolored. Remember, this is done by Photoshop's neural filters. While this image has been colorized by palette.fm. Look at her background, and pay attention to the colors of her clothes. The color of the dress is almost the same. If you zoom in, you'll see a clear difference. Palette.fm has improved image colorization. Now let's try another image here. This is an image of a scenery. Here we open Photoshop's neural filters. And through neural filters, we colorize this image. This looks like a very nice color scheme. If you want to apply any filter in the filters here, it is your choice. In the output, we select the new layer and click OK. So, this black and white image has been colorized by Photoshop's neural filters. Now, we move on to Palette.fm. And here we will upload an image of the same scenery. And then we will apply its base palette filter. The rest will not apply any other filters. You can apply other filters and see them. That is, you can apply these filters and see the difference. But we will use the base palette filter. After applying this filter, we will download the image in HD. The message says, we are out of credits, so we download it in its original size. This way we have saved the image in its original size. And now we open this image in Photoshop. Now you see the difference here. This is what Photoshop did, it turned the watercolor brown. If there is a shade of this greenery here, it should be green, instead of brown. You can see that there is a brown shade, instead of green here. Now, we look at the image that was colorized using Palette.fm. You can see the greenery on the mountains. The same shade is reflecting on the water. This is done by Photoshop's neural filters, and there is a shade in this part. But in another area, it has given reflection. But instead of green, it has given a shade of brown color. While the website has also kept the watercolor blue. And if you look up on the left, it has given a very good reflection. You will see reflections at the end of the mountains. And on the right, he has merged green with blue to give a reflection. Now, for comfort, we also try a third image. So, we open a black and white image here. And open Photoshop's neural filters. And then colorize this image. It has colorized the image very well. In the output, we select the new layer. And we click OK here. This has been colorized by Photoshop's neural filters. Now, we move on to Palette.fm. And we upload the image of the same model here. We will also apply the base palette filter to this image. If this is not good, we will try applying lavender dusk. In some images, you will have to change the filters of Palette.fm. Let's apply the vivid natural filter and see. And, along with that, we will also apply the warm glow filter and see. So, this is a vivid natural filter. And this is the warm glow filter. As you know, it has many filters. Let's apply the pastel notes filter and see. And we see that it has such an effect on image. This filter has also ruined hair and eye color. The base palette filter, at the beginning. It has done image colorization, but it has also ruined her hair color. This means that you cannot apply the same filter to every image, and get the same results. So, you have to apply different filters and see the results. I download this image after applying the warm glow filter. And I open this image in Photoshop. And then we find the difference in the image. This image has been colorized by palette.fm. And this has been colorized by Photoshop's neural filters. I think Photoshop has colored this image much better. Here, palette.fm did not colorize the image correctly. One reason for this could be that we did not apply the correct filter in palette.fm. But there is an advantage that if Photoshop's neural filters are not working for some reason, you can use palette.fm. Let's apply the Outdoor Vibes filter and see. And this filter is giving much better results. Save the image with the Outdoor Vibes filter. And open it in Photoshop and find the difference. Yes, now you will see a clear difference. This image has been colorized by Photoshop. And this is colorized by palette.fm. The colors in this image aren't very sharp. Or, you could say that there are no rich colors. But the image has been slightly colored, the hair color is the same. So, you can use different filters here to get your desired result. You will be asked for pricing on this site, even if you upload 1,000 images to this site. So, normal download is absolutely free here. But you can download limited images in HD. And after that you will have to buy credits from here. If you click on the button on the right side of this site. So, a prompt related to images is displayed. Now, the prompt says, a stock photo of none. We change the word none and write girl here. And you can read the prompt written by the site. Now, click on Surprise Me. And look what surprises it gives us now. So, this is a slight image change it made. So, now you can change the image or colors through the prompt here. Now, we save this image here and see. I'm replacing it with the previous image. I am closing all images from Photoshop. So, this image was colorized by Photoshop's neural filters. And this is what happened after applying the filter from palette.fm. And this is the image we created using the prompt. We edited the prompt, it had written none in it, which we changed to girl. But now this site is showing a perfumey plate of model. I think you can get the best results if you colorize the image through prompt. I am trying to introduce websites where you can work for free. I hope you like this attempt to introduce the website. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.